So we've got to get this condenser over there, within there. So we called the city, said, hey, we need a boom truck. And the driver, they said, hey, we got you. They brought the boom truck, set the keys in it. I ain't never drove one. I'm fixing to though, boy. Oh God, you work this thing. FML. I can barely see. I ain't never worked this thing in my life. Okay, let's do it. All right, let's get this thing started. Oh, boys, we live! Yippee-ki-yay! Okay, I can drive a manual, but I have stalled this thing 6 times in front of a lot of people. I'm gonna get it. I've got to go back. I've got to go back. And then back this thing up right there. We're gonna do it. Hot dang, that boy can drive. I got it in place. Now we release the crane. Well, I'll tell you what. You and HVAC, you can freaking do anything. I swear you can do anything. Never done it before in my life. Out we go. I love this job.